Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 25 divided by 1 over 5 then times 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then this multiplication. 25 divided by 1 over 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, so we can write 25, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So then times just 5. And here we have times 5. 25 times 5 gives us 125. So we have 125 times 5 and this is equal to 625. So our final answer to this problem is just 625.